Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be doing the revision of SQL, means creating table using update command, select command, and we will be doing the order by clause. So first of all, what is order by clause? Order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending and descending order. Means if you want to do the order by, you can do in ascending or descending order. So I have taken employee table. Now I will be writing the select command for seeing my insertion part. See, so this is the insertion part. Now I want to update my table. I will be writing update employee. Okay, now I want to set e add equals to ggn. Okay, now where e08 I am taking. Okay, where e08 or e number you can take here, e number equals to e08. See query. Okay, now I will be writing the select command so that I can see my update table. See ggn. So this was the update command. Now we will be doing the order by command. Its syntax is select from table name employee. Okay, now I will be writing here order by, means I want to do the order of E8 or E phone, I can say E phone ASC. ASC means ascending order and DESC means descending order. Okay, see, if I want to do in descending order, I will be writing order by E phone DESC, descending. See descending. So now I will be taking another table, suppliers. Now desk suppliers for seeing my table. So this is my insertion part of supplier. Now I will be writing for order by select from suppliers. Now order by, if I want to do the order of city, order by city in ascending order. Okay, see, now if I want to do order by in descending order, I will be writing order by city. See, simple, no change. Okay, it will be coming in order. If I want to do select from suppliers, now order by, if I want to do state, order by state, DSC means descending order. See, descending order Washington, California. So this was order by. You can apply in your table. So now we have covered, as we know SQL is the structured query language, we have covered basic table creating with constants, which are primary key, unique key, foreign key, default key, null value, and we have also done SQL commands which are select statement, update statement, drop, delete, aggregate functions which are of 5 type, count, average, max, min, sum, and we have also applied with group by. Also we have also done order by. So we have covered till these commands, and we have also done DML and DDL commands, data manipulation language, data definition language. So in this video, only this next video, we will be moving with the next topic of SQL. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.